what's up? Today I am going to show you this new and hidden gem inside of Power BI Desktop, and that is version history inside of Power BI Desktop. I know, right? Back in the days, we would have to save our Power BI Desktop files Marthe underscore version 1, and then Marthe underscore May version 1, and then Marthe underscore May version 2.2. There were all these different files, and it was a bit of a mess with all these copies. Then we got version history support through SharePoint and OneDrive, but now that is actually accessible right there inside of Power BI Desktop. But remember, this is not version control, it's version history. There's a difference. But you know what? Enough of all this talking. You know what we like to do here at GuideCube? Let's do what? Let's head over to my laptop. Okay, let's start inside of OneDrive today. So you can do a couple of cool things with the Power BI report files. So here I have my sales report, and what I can do is that I can go to actions. And actually, a cool thing that you can do here is to preview your report right there inside of SharePoint without actually having to download the file, open it up in Power BI Desktop. That's pretty neat. Okay, cool. But yeah, that's not version history. Let me show you the version history. So if we click on the ellipsis, go to version history here, you see that I can actually see the different versions that I have, 1, 2, 3, 4 versions. As you can see, when they were modified, I can see the size of the file and also who modified it. That's really valuable. And if I want to make any changes to that, I can go to an old version and then decide to open that file or restore it, or also delete the version itself. Nice. But now, if I open up Power BI Desktop, you see here, if I go up here to the title of the report itself, open it up, we have version history right here. So here you see some of the same information. You see the version, you see which one is current, when it was modified, and also who modified it. Now, if I make some changes to this report, let's say that I want to add also a table here with like profit and number of customers like that. And I'm also gonna add a KPI with the number of customers that we have. Like that, and say that, oh yes, this is great, I want to save this because this is now my new version. This is the report that I want to have here. So let's go ahead and click save. And if I then go back to version history, we're now going to see that there's a new version here, version 5, which is now the current one. But let's say that, no, that was wrong, I want to go back to the older version. Then I can just double click on version number 4. Power BI Desktop is going to open up that version for me. Then I can decide, do I want to go back to this version, save this file instead, publish this instead, or whatever I want to do. So now you see it open up sales version 4, and I can now look at these two reports next to each other and figure out what I want to do next. You should be using version history in Power BI Desktop or SharePoint if you are a Power BI author working with PBIX files and you want to have that safety net. Or if you just want to make sure that you can recover from a bad save. You should not be using version history if you need that full development workflow. Let me know in the comments below. Are you still saving copies of your PBIX files? Have you moved over to version history? Or are you like a full-blown out crazy development person using TMDL, project files, and Git? If you want to see more awesome videos from Adam, Patrick, and this guy right here, remember to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I am excited to see you guys in the next video. Bye!